My dear children, today in this first module, we are going to study the important marketing philosophies. As we know, marketing management is the process of planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling the activities related to marketing of the products to satisfy the needs of the consumers' needs and achieve organizational objectives. The important features of marketing management are: it is a goal oriented process, it aims at satisfying customers' needs and generating revenue to the organization. It is an integrated approach and attempts at integrating the efforts required in various marketing services. It is a functional area of management, just like production management, financial management, and human resource management. It means marketing management requires specialized knowledge, relates to the customer's behavior, product features, then government relevant policies and business environment. These are the important features of marketing management. Now we are going to study the important marketing philosophies. Philosophy in the context of marketing management consists of an integrated set of the assumptions and beliefs about the purpose of marketing activities and the way these should be undertaken. These indicate the approach will be adopted in performing the various functions of the marketing. These assumptions and beliefs were different at various stages of the development of marketing management, resulting in emergence of different concepts of marketing. The important concepts used in marketing are production concept, product concept, selling concept, marketing concept, and last one is societal marketing concept. The first concept is production concept. Under production concept, it is based on the assumption that if an organization is able to produce efficiently, it will not require any marketing effort. The concept was quite prevalent during the early years of Industrial Revolution, when demand for the goods was much more than their supply. Therefore, the whole effort were directed on increasing the production volume and taking the advantage of large-scale production along with developing the efficient distribution of the goods. In some cases, this concept is still prevalent, particularly in those organizations which have monopoly. Production concept is the oldest marketing concept, concentrate on the higher production efficiency and wide distribution. It believes that consumers will favor those products that are widely available and low in cost. In this concept, all business efforts are directed at rising output levels, produce standardized products, and sell at lower price. Second concept is product concept. Product concept is based on the assumption that if an organization produces a superior product, it will sell on its own. The underlying philosophy is that the customers favor product quality, performance, innovative features, etc. Thus, product is the only consideration in the exchange process relevant to the marketing. Other aspects of marketing are not emphasized. The product concept is the slight modification of production concept. The major emphasis of product concept is on the product quality, performance, and features. It believes that consumers respond to good quality products that are reasonably priced. Concept is selling concept. Selling concept is based on the assumption that if the organization sells aggressively, it will capture the substantial market share. In this concept, the philosophy is to go for higher promotional efforts, which in turn will bring the more sales. The promotional efforts will motivate the potential customers to buy the products when they become aware of the positive features of the products. Selling concepts aims at bending the customers according to their product. However, this concept lacks the proper linkage between inherent nature of the customers and promotional efforts. Selling concept evolved out of the failure of the product and production concept. It is based on the idea that people will buy more goods and services if aggressive selling methods are used. It believes that people ordinarily will not buy the organization's products unless they are persuaded to buy. Marketing concept is based on the notion that the main task of the organization is to know the needs, wants, and value of the target market. It believes that the key to achieving organizational objectives lies in the more effective than competition towards the determining and satisfying the needs and wants of the target markets. The last concept is societal marketing concept. The societal marketing concept is based on the assumption that the social objectives must be considered as an integral part of the process of the customer satisfaction. It is an extension of marketing concept by adding social aspect of marketing. Social aspect in the marketing is required because customer satisfaction without social aspect is counterproductive and brings many social problems such as pollution, ecological imbalances, wastage of national resources, drug abuse, etc. Thus, marketing efforts should go one step further, that is, enhancing social well-being. The societal marketing concept evolved out of the movement of the consumerism and environmentalism. It believes that the organization should deliver the superior products to the market that maintains the customers and society's well-being. It balanced between the interest of the firm and consumers and the society.